Hiya guys. So today we're going to take a look at the new heat inductor from Laser Tools. This is not just any heat inductor, this is an 18 kilowatt liquid cooled monster. This unit requires a 3-phase power supply, so no 3-pin plug here. Let's plug in and switch on. As you can see, the unit's fitted with a digital display. This is also a touch screen, so we can adjust our power settings and also set a timer if required. We will give you a quick demonstration of just how quickly this unit heats up large components, like this track rod over here. For demonstration purposes, we're going to use a digital thermometer just to show how quickly heat is applied. By using heat inductors, we can apply heat to areas where we wouldn't dream of putting a gas torch. Now that the track rod has been heated, we can now remove the track rod end. This powerful unit can be used on a multitude of areas like track rods, chassis, nuts, bolts, etc. And this would be a great addition to any commercial workshop. Until next time, I'm off.